Here we are in PREEvision. The SmartFacts plugin has already been installed. Before we start working with links, we need to contribute the current head version of our PREEvision model to a global configuration. As all global configurations are managed by the Global Configuration Management app on the ELM side, we switch to ELM GCM, select the global configuration, and add the current version as a contribution to the global configuration. We can now use this global configuration as a working context in PREEvision. This works exactly the same way as selecting a global configuration as a context in Doors Next. Now we are ready to create links between the PREEvision model and the Doors Next requirements. To create a link, we simply select an architecture element in the tree and click the Add Links button in the SmartFacts plugin. We select a link type. The Doors picker opens and we select the link target. This adds the link to the list of links of the selected architecture element. When we select a different element, the list gets updated. Via the local menu of the link, we can open a preview of the linked Doors Next artifact. We can also create links directly from within a diagram. It works the same as linking from the tree. We select the element, select a link type, select the link target, and the link is established. Now let's look at why selecting the correct global configuration is so important. Currently, we are working in the initial stream. If we switch to a different stream, the composition of the global configuration changes, and as a result, we may see different links. This clearly shows that links are configuration-aware and fully subject to global configuration management. We now switch back to the initial stream. From here, we can navigate directly to Doors Next using the context menu option, Open in Original Tool. This takes us automatically to the correct Doors Next project area, into the correct global configuration, with the correct local configuration loaded and the requirement pre-selected. Here we see the link we just created. When we hover over the link, a live preview opens. It shows the attributes of the linked PREEvision element. As this is a live preview, any change will be reflected immediately without copying or synchronizing data. Now let's create a link from the other direction. We select a different requirement in Doors Next and click Add Link and select a link type. Now the PREEvision picker opens. Depending on the link type, we can select a link target from the architecture, requirements, or quality domain. Now we switch back to PREEvision and select the architecture element we have just selected as a target. We immediately see the link which we have added on the Doors Next side, also here in PREEvision. This demonstrates that link management is fully bidirectional. Links can be created, removed, inspected, and navigated from both sides. All links are centrally managed, bidirectional, and configuration-aware. Our goal is always to provide the full authoring experience directly inside the engineering tools, whether that is PREEvision or Doors Next or others.